Everybody, I think I left off when we got to the meeting place for our ride in North Carolina, so stay tuned for the rest. The ride was awesome. We first of all went to Granddaddy's Orchard, I believe was the name of it. So I'll go ahead and insert that now. After we were done at the orchard, we were all pumped up on sugar, so then we had to go find some food. And we had heard that there was this fantastic place downtown, Hot Dog World. So we took a ride downtown Hendersonville and got our hot dogs.
Never have to buy another helmet. Oh, huh? Piece of cake. Where's cake? I like cake.
Oh, I said the wrong word.
Mustard, chili, onions, and salt. Veggie hot dog. Veggie hot dog.
And now we're off to the hotel for dinner and the auction, and let's see if we can win Big Al the traveling bear. Here's Big Al, guys. I got him. Paddle number 23, and he's gonna start his journey with us. And he came with a plaque that says, "Hi, my name is Big Al, and I'm honorary member of Star Touring and Riding. I love to travel. I'd like to come and hang out with your chapter. We could post pictures of our adventures for all the other Star chapters to see. I could hang out with you until next year's Starbarbecue. I'm up for bid at the live auction. We would really help out some folks in need if you would bid on me." And he also had a little... He also had a little tag around his neck that pretty much is the same thing. And this is a collar that goes on his leather vest for the cold months. So welcome, Big Al, to Big Daddy and Bubbles channel. Thanks for watching us today, guys. As always, we'll be back with more videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.